how to edit your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your profile on VK. Easy and quick. First open VK and now click on your profile here, and here we'll find your profile. Then click these three lines and then click edit profile, and that's it. Here you can manage your profile, edit anything you want, and then just click this icon and it will be saved. And I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.